Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to open a Union Bank zero balance account, and this is actually very easy. You need to head over to Union Bank online and then click on the first link that comes up, and from there you're going to click on apply now, and then we're going to wait for it to load, because once it loads it's going to bring us to a page like this where we have to fill in the type of product, like which product you want to be a part of, and then branches near me, select the branch that is the closest to you, your full name, your NID or your passport. Let's say you want to fill in your NID, so you'll give in your NID, but if you select passport then you have to put in your passport address details, and then your date of birth, your mobile number, your email, and then what profession are you in, and your income range and everything, and then you're going to click on this one and then submit, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.